Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Profound EduTech. So we are back here once again with yet another exciting update, and this time it is for 2022 batch students, meaning those who are in their pre-final year and going to pass out in next year. So dear students of 2022 batch, we are glad to inform you that Infosys has announced their most awaited certification and subsequent campus hiring initiative called InfiTQ, and we are here to give you the detailed information about the same. And before proceeding ahead, we would like to emphasize on the fact that there is no criteria for this certification and the subsequent hiring, and any student from the eligible qualifications of 2022 batch can appear for this initiative. So let us first try to understand what is this InfiTQ and Infosys certification. So you might be knowing that many IT companies, especially the mass recruiters, they have come up with some innovative methods of hiring. Apart from the traditional methods of campus hiring, off-campus hiring, they have come up with various coding competitions and hackathons, etc., through which they hire the freshers. So it is all about skill-based hiring in IT companies these days. So InfiTQ, it is an online learning and engagement platform introduced by Infosys, which helps the engineers to improve their technical skills by appearing the courses on that platform, and also improve their employability, and hence thereby making them industry competent. So it is an online learning platform by Infosys on which they have provided various courses on various technologies and programming languages which you can self-learn and get upgraded. Now, what is Infosys certification? So Infosys, it conducts a certification test which will be based on either Java or Python plus database and aptitude. There are multiple rounds which you need to clear in order to get certified by Infosys. And it's not only about certification, but if you clear the final round of certification with 65% marks or above, you also get an interview opportunity at Infosys for their systems engineer role, which they offer to the freshers. So this is brief information about Infosys certification. Now, the most important part is eligibility. Who can appear for this Infosys certification? So, you might be knowing that many MNCs which recruit on campus or off campus, they typically have like 60% criteria or 55% criteria or so. But for this InfiTQ certification, Infosys certification, since it is all skill-based hiring, there is no criteria for this particular initiative, and any student from any corner of the country who is from 2022 batch and from the qualifications like BE Tech or MEM Tech, MCA, MCS is eligible to apply, register and appear for this Infosys certification. There is no branch criteria and there is no percentage criteria also. So this is the best thing. Those who struggle with the marks in 10th or 12th or engineering aggregate, and they have this best opportunity to prove your skills and get hired at Infosys. So this Infosys certification, it has three different rounds. So the first round is qualification round, followed by the final round, and then there is the optional advantage round, third round. Let us discuss all these rounds in detail. The first round, which is qualification round, is of 60 minutes duration, which has 40 multiple choice questions based on the programming languages like Java or Python, which will have 20 questions. Now, you should make a note here that you have a choice of selecting the programming language of your comfort. You may either select Java or Python of your choice, and all the questions of multiple choice questions or coding questions will be based on that particular language only. So 20 questions will be on Java or Python, followed by 10 questions on DBMS, and then aptitude part will also have 10 questions. And those who clear this round would qualify for the final round, and there is a negative marking applicable in this qualification round. The second round is of final round, the actual certification round, which is for the students who clear the qualification round. This round is of 3 hours duration. It is based on coding questions. There will be two coding questions on the choice of your language, Java or Python. and followed by MCQs, 10 MCQs each on the programming language of your choice and database questions. And in this round there is no negative marking. So this final round is actual Infosys certification exam, which will test your in-depth programming and database skills through MCQs and hands-on coding questions. You need to score minimum 65% marks to pass this exam. And those who pass this exam, they are eligible to appear for behavioral interview of systems engineer role at Infosys. So at this stage, if you clear this round with 65% marks or above, you are first Infosys certified software programmer, and second, you will also get an interview opportunity at Infosys. And if you are able to clear that interview, then you are offered at Infosys. Then the third round, which is advantage round of 3 hours duration. It is an optional round for those who clear the certification exam. So if you're willing to explore the niche technical roles opportunity like power programmer at Infosys or systems engineer specialist at Infosys, which offer higher salary scale, then you have this option to appear for this advantage round, and it has 3 coding questions of different difficulty levels. And if you are able to clear this round, then you are offered a salary scale at Infosys. So these are the steps to register for InfyTQ certification. First, you need to sign up on infytq.onwingspan.com. Just note down this URL and enter it in the address bar. Then you need to fill up your details. Once you fill up the details on the dashboard, you should click on program and then on Infosys certification. And there is an information given which you should go through, and then you should click on register now. Once you click on register now, you will have to, on the next page, you will have to select the programming language of your choice. You need to book a test slot which are available for 3rd and 4th of April currently, and then just go on following the instructions and register for it. So these are the important dates. The qualification round is on 3rd and 4th of April. It will depend upon the slot that you select and you are assigned. Then the final round is on 18th and 19th April for those who clear the qualification round. And the last date to register for this Infosys certification is 20th March 2021. So please make a note of these important dates. So these were the details about InfyTQ and Infosys certification for 2022 batch. So dear 2022 batch students, if you are willing to prepare for this InfyTQ and Infosys certification, and if you are willing to take up some course, then we at Profound EduTech are launching this course from next week, and in which we will cover all the necessary models like Java, Python, database, aptitude, etc. So to get more details about this course and to register for it, you may just fill up your details on this given URL. It's bit.ly/profoundinfytq. It's bit.ly/profoundinfytq. Please note that URL is case sensitive, and you need and ensure that you enter the correct URL in the address bar of the browser. Once you register, we will get back to you with the details of the course. So thank you so much for watching this video. We hope that you have been liking all our videos. You are finding them useful and helpful for you. And Profound EduTech, we are basically a top IT training and placement company. So enroll today for full stack Java, .NET testing, Python, data science, machine learning course at Profound EduTech and get 100% guaranteed placement support. We launch new batches almost every week in both online and offline mode. And for our courses, you are requested to call on these numbers 89830-12051 or 52. These are the snapshots of our popular courses of full stack Java, .NET developer. This is a similar course of advanced diploma in software testing also. You may find all the details, the detailed contents about all our courses on our website, which is profoundedutech.com. So these are the highlights of our courses. All our trainings are live trainings by senior trainers. We cover multiple technologies and programming languages in the same course, which helps you to get skilled on multiple technologies and explore also explore the placement opportunities which are specific to those skills. We give a lot of importance to practical knowledge and hands-on approach. We have daily assignments for the students who practice them in the labs. Whatever our students learn, they implement it on real-world projects. And of course, since all our trainings are live trainings, there is a lot of interaction possible between the trainers and the students, which helps the students to get all their questions, queries, doubts solved immediately. And of course, the main a big highlight and advantage is we offer daily exclusive campus drives to the students who are trained at Profound EduTech in Java, Angular, testing, Python, etc. Because the companies also they demand trained freshers when it comes to the off-campus hiring. So thank you so much for watching this video once again. Please be in touch with us on all our social platforms. You may find us on Facebook. Please like our Facebook page, which already has 51,000 plus likes, where we keep posting all our updates regularly. Also, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't yet, and also click on the bell icon to get all our updates regularly and instantly. You may also find us on Telegram, and as well as far as website is concerned, it's www.profoundedutech.com. So thank you so much once again, and hope to see you with one more video soon. Thank you.